Hey guys, so check this out. I know a lot of you guys are in that situation where you don't see the success you want. You work so hard with your online business, and any second, any minute, any time of day that you are not spending on that business, you might feel like you're not worthy of enjoying yourself otherwise until you have this business off the ground. And I'm here to tell you that that's not healthy, and I want to just offer a solution. I thought I saw someone. I want to offer a solution to you to actually break away from the computer for just a little bit, okay? When you break away, when you just relax, that's when the ideas come, and that's when you kind of figure it out when you're away from the computer. And take those ideas and then bring them to the computer later on and just chill out. And right now, I'm going to do a physical activity that I enjoy doing. It's called poi, where I swing these things around and form a dance. And I really enjoy myself doing that, so it's a good way to unplug. So, unplug, man. I mean, seriously, you're hurting yourself by getting so consumed on your online business. It's going to come. You're going to be successful. Just trust that you have what it takes to do it, and step away. Enjoy your life a little bit. I mean, isn't that the reason that you started an online business anyways? Was because you wanted to enjoy life more, right? So, enjoy life while you're building it, and don't get so consumed in how miserable you might be because you're not where you want to be. That's going to happen eventually. And, you know, everything's perfect now. So, just realize that you're on a path to get there, but perfection is, you know, perfection leaves perfection when perfection alone remains. I'm just going to say you're perfect, and this moment's perfect. So start enjoying your life a little bit more on your path to success. Because if you're enjoying your life, then the universe will manifest itself as an enjoyable life for you. And so, with that note, enjoy your life. Enjoy it so much, and get down with the universe every once in a while. And just enjoy. Go outside. Go for a jog. I like going for high-speed skateboard rides. It's just, you know, mixing it up and just getting out of the house and doing something. Get away from that computer. I mean, in reality, the computer's only a tool. We don't really need that to survive. Though a lot of us are using it as something that we can use to be happy, harmonious, successful, financially free. But is it good to be glued to that computer all day long? Not at all. Not one bit. So make that your goal, make that your lifestyle, or wherever it may be, to just not be so consumed by it and live your life.